How to start video editing from zero in 2026. Free tools only, no expensive software. Are you dreaming of becoming a video editor in 2026 but don't have money for expensive software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut? In this video, I'll show you how to start video editing from zero using 100% free tools, step by step, even if you've never edited before. 1. Why video editing is important. Video editing is one of the most powerful skills today. You can create YouTube videos, social media reels, ads, travel videos, and even earn online, all from your laptop or mobile. 2. Best free video editing tools in 2026. Let's start with the best free tools beginners can use in 2026. For mobile, Android and iPhone. CapCut, very powerful and easy. VN Video Editor, InShot for PC and laptop. DaVinci Resolve, professional level and free. CapCut Desktop, Shotcut. 3. What you should learn first. Simple roadmap. Don't try to learn everything at once. Start with these basics. Cutting and trimming clips. Adding music. Simple text and titles. Transitions. Basic color adjustment. 4. 7-day beginner plan. Here's a simple 7-day plan anyone can follow. Day 1. Learn cutting and trimming. Day 2. Add background music. Day 3. Add text and titles. Day 4. Transitions day. 5. Color correction. Day 6. Make a short video. Day 7. Upload or share it. 5. Where to learn for free. You don't need paid courses. YouTube tutorials. Free editing practice clips. Websites. Practice your own videos. 6. Tips for fast improvement. Edit daily. Even 15 minutes. Copy simple edits from popular videos. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. 7. Motivation. Remember, every professional editor started as a beginner. If you stay consistent for 30 days, your skills will surprise you. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe for more creative tutorials, and comment edit if you want a free beginner editing guide.